Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar overall monthly, I definitely am still very bullish overall. I do see on the sort of time frames that it's probably not finished going down, but I still suspect that there's a very good chance that it will eventually go up and take out these previous highs. And I think there's a very good likelihood that it's going to make a nice five-way pattern to the upside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that we may already have the end of an expanding flat wave 2. I still think this looks like a trend, so it still to me looks like a wave 1. I would also expect this to be a wave 2 and most likely eventually go back up for a wave 3. I still think we're in this wave 2. I actually think this is all a subdivision of a wave 3 because I think the main 1 is here. I think we got an expanding flat wave 2, and I think we're already in a wave 3. So that would make this a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're definitely still making lower lows, lower highs. There's definitely no break of structure to the upside. We have no Fibonacci bounce. We have no engulfing move to the outside. The roadmap higher time frames are definitely still telling me that we should be looking for sorts in a downtrend. Now, it could possibly turn at the 61.8 or it possibly could go down to the 78.6. But until I see that nice significant break of structure on these higher time frames, I personally am definitely still going to continue to look for sorts on those sort of time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now it definitely does have that little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape as you can see. So I do think there is a pretty good possibility that it may make a pullback. But unless this pullback goes all the way up and takes out this most recent structure, I am definitely looking for sorts. I'm looking for three waves up. I'm looking for impulsive down, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement level. Like I was saying, until these higher time frames like the daily, weekly, and monthly tell me that it's time to start looking for longs, I personally am definitely going to continue to look for sorts in a downtrend, just like I've been doing for the past many, many weeks. I'm just going to continue to go short every chance I get at the end of these pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we do definitely have that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every trend, but we don't really know that it's not necessarily going to turn here. I do kind of suspect that it will turn up and it will break this structure, but until it breaks this higher structure, which is the daily time frame structure, I would definitely be looking at anything to the upside as most likely another correction to the downtrend. So if we do get a break of structure to the upside, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move. I would look for three waves up, A, B, and C. If you are a scalper, I mean, you could possibly, once we get that break of structure, be, trading the end of a wave B up. But for me, definitely, because I'm not a scalper, I would personally be waiting patiently for the three waves up. I'd be waiting for a Fibonacci bounce. Nice impulsive move to the downside to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.